Are you seeing the error message, "No bootable device found," when starting your laptop? Don't worry, this issue is common and can be fixed with a few simple steps. First, let's understand why this happens. Your laptop is not detecting the hard disk that contains the operating system. This could be due to incorrect BIOS settings, loose connections, a faulty hard drive, or even corrupted boot files. Step 1. Restart your laptop and enter the BIOS settings. Usually, you can do this by pressing F2, F10, or the delete key while the laptop is starting. Inside the BIOS, check if your hard disk is detected. If not, make sure the boot mode is set correctly. For example, AHCI or UEFI, depending on your system. Step 2. If the hard disk is detected, but the error still shows, you may need to change the boot order. Set your main hard disk, or SSD, as the first boot option, and then restart. Step 3. If the BIOS does not show your hard disk at all, power off your laptop and check the physical connections. For laptops, this often means removing the bottom cover and making sure the hard drive or SSD is properly connected. Loose or dusty connections can prevent detection. Step 4. If your hard disk is still not recognized, try connecting it to another computer with a SATA to USB cable. If it works on another system, the issue may be with your laptop's motherboard. If it doesn't work anywhere, your hard disk may be faulty and needs replacement. 5. In some cases, the boot files are corrupted. You can fix this by creating a bootable USB with Windows installation files. Boot from the USB, select Repair Your Computer, and use the Startup Repair tool. Finally, if none of these methods solve the problem, it may be time to replace the hard drive or consult a professional technician. Remember, always back up your important data regularly to avoid losing files in situations like this. By following these steps, you can often fix the "No bootable device found" error and get your laptop running again. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Junaid Hacks for more easy tech repair guides. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.